So hello guys, welcome back to Furjack Gaming. I'm your host Furjack. So in this video, I'll teach you how to create a keylogger using Python. So I will use my Android phone as a server and my laptop as a victim. So here all I am using is my Android, my laptop, and then I am not using any other laptop, and then I am using my own laptop as an attacker. So I'll show you step by step how this works. So first I'll open the keylogger folder of my laptop, and then I will run the keylogger.py file. So actually I forgot a thing. I have to start my file first, actually my server first. So I'll start my server. As you can see here, my server has started, and then I'll create this one. And then if I type in anything over here on my laptop, see what happens. Hello, subscribe. As you can see, this is what hackers do to see what are you typing. You can see it is very visible to the hackers what all are you typing. So please do not try to download online things. Be safe on the online. Okay. Actually create in fully infinite keylogger, and then this video is only for educational purposes. I am teaching you that how this thing works, not to do on others computer or attack on others. Okay, please don't try to attack on others computers. Okay, so first I'll uh, teach you that what happens in this socket.py, sorry, server.py. So in the server.py I have imported the socket file. I will turn off my webcam so that it will be easy to explain to you guys. So this video is educational purposes only, so please don't encourage these things on online. So I am just teaching you what is going on here, right? So first I'll import socket, and then like that my IP address. I put my IP address over here, and then port whatever number you want, and then I am creating a socket using this host and the port. So after creating that, I am binding the host and port and starting listener so that we can listen whatever the data comes from the socket, right? So after doing that, I am creating a which will write the file which is received from the victim, my laptop, and I will store it as a log.txt in the file next to the server.py. So the file, the logs.txt will store all the input comes from the socket, my laptop, and then it will store it as log.txt. So I'll create a infinite loop to collect the data and then print it to the, I'll also print it in the terminal and also save in the logs.txt for the future use. So as you can see, anyone connect to our client, then it will show connected client with their IP addresses. Okay, so let's try this once again. I'll run my code, and then in my laptop I will run the keylogger, and then see it is showing that this laptop is connected. My laptop is 192.168.0.114 with the port 51000. So if I type in here like guys, please don't download anything from online, otherwise it can have the keyloggers like this. They are fully protected. In my laptop, once again guys, once again, laptop, you can see there is a keylogger.exe which is fully undetectable on virus total. So I'll say you how to create that virus total in the next video if you make 100 likes on this video. Okay guys, if you make 100 likes on this video, I will sure tell you how to create the keylogger.exe fully undetectable, and then it is very easy to create the fully undetectable keylogger. So I will type in hello, this is my secret, this is my secret password. So see, it came like anything. So the hackers can take full advantage, so please don't download anything from online. Always take the softwares from trusted guys and then trusted members, okay? So it will be safe to use, right? So that's why. And a plus point in this software I will show you now. Let's skip to the my computer screen, and I will show you that how did I able to create the keylogger.py. So let's dive into our computer screen, okay? So guys, here in the laptop screen, so now here I will create a keylogger.py, okay? So this is the file. So I have imported from pyinput.keyboard import key and listener. So the pyinput will not come pre-installed, so you should do like this: pip install pyinput. So after doing this, it will install the pyinput. So you can see the requirements already satisfied. So the requirements already satisfied, so I will do like this. So I will import socket and then this pyinput.keyboard and key comma listener. So this helps me to listen the keys the user presses. So here s equal to socket means creating the socket to connect each other. So you can see is s.connect host and port. So we are connected. Now here I said as we create two functions. One is press and another one is release. Why press and why release, you ask? So I'll say s.send str key.encode means which will send the key in the encoded form to our computer, means to my Android phone, which will decode the encoded file and show it whether what they are writing. So you know, here now only we are saying at it to take the keys as strings so that we do not encounter any error on the connect.py. So sorry, server.py. I have created your connect.py, so it's my mistake, sorry. So then we will create release key. So if the user presses by mistakenly escape or something like that, then the program will stop running, but we don't want it, right? So let's take out the function and then let's take on release out of the loop. So if we did this thing, then it will infinitely take the user inputs and send it to our server. It never ends until he turns off the computer. And keep in mind, the server should be running to connect to this keylogger.py. So here is my keylogger.exe, which is fully undetectable. I will show you. Okay, so here I have opened the virustotal.com and then I will open my folder, which is documents, and then here the keylogger goes, and then Defender, Avast, and then Avera, the famous antivirus detectors like AVG, Bitdefender can also did not detect these files.
So you can
Means
see
our
these famous detectors also cannot detect my file as a virus. So in this next video, I'll show you how to create this keylogger.exe fully undetectable if you make 100 likes on this file, on this video, okay? I was saying file, sorry. Okay, thanks for watching. This video was very interesting, I know, and please make sure to share all the techie guys this video. And if you like this video and if you make me 1000 subscribers, I will show you how to create a subscribers increasing file which is made out of Python. So thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel.